Find with proof all triples x, y, z of positive integers such that 2018 to the power of x equals y squared plus z squared plus 1. Since 2018 to the power of x, where x is greater than or equal to 1, is even, so y squared plus z squared plus 1 is even, so y squared plus z squared must be odd. Thus, one of y and z is odd and the other is even. Hence, y squared plus z squared is congruent to 1 mod 4. So y squared plus z squared plus 1 must be congruent to 2 mod 4. Case 1, x is greater than 1. 2018 to the power of x is congruent to 0 mod 4. Thus, equation 1 has no solutions when x is greater than 1, as y squared plus z squared plus 1 is congruent to 2 mod 4, but 2018 to the power of x is congruent to 0 mod 4. Case 2, x equals 1. Equation 1 becomes 2018 equals y squared plus z squared plus 1. So y squared plus z squared equals 2017. Since the last digit of any perfect square can be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So the last digit of one of y squared and z squared must be 1, and that of the other is 6. Without loss of generality, assume the last digit of y squared is 1. Since 49 squared is greater than 2017, so y can take the values 1, 9, 11, 19, 21, 29, 31, 39, 41. If y equals 1 from equation 2, we have z squared equals 2017 minus 1 squared equals 2016, which isn't a perfect square. If y equals 9, z squared equals 2017 minus 9 squared equals 1936, which is equal to 44 squared. So z equals 44. If y equals 11, z squared equals 2017 minus 11 squared equals 1896, which isn't a perfect square. Similarly, if y equals 19, 21, 29, 31, the values of z squared are not perfect squares. If y equals 39, z squared equals 2017 minus 39 squared equals 496, which isn't a perfect square. If y equals 41, z squared equals 2017 minus 41 squared equals 336, which isn't a perfect square. Thus, y z equals 944 satisfies equation 2. Since y and z are symmetrical, so y z equals 44, 9 also satisfies equation 2. Hence, x, y, z equals 1, 9, 44, 1, 44, 9 are the solutions of the original equation. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.